Have you ever wondered if you could edit more than one image at a time in Lightroom Classic? Here, we have an image with some edits already made. We will select it and a number of other photos that we wish to apply these edits to. Notice the Sync button has appeared underneath the edit panels in the Develop module. If it says Auto Sync, which we will get to in a moment, click on the little toggle on/off button and Sync should appear. Click on Sync. A Synchronize Settings window will open with the option to select or unselect various edits. Note, the Process Version option will be auto-ticked if a related setting is selected. Unless you are familiar with Process Version, it is advised to keep it selected. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will check all. Click on Synchronize. These edits from the main highlighted image will now be applied to our other selected images. Note, in the History panel, it will just say Paste Settings and not the details of the edits. Be aware that if the camera or subjects have moved from photo to photo, synchronizing edits that affect the dimensions of an image, like crop and alignment, or local edits like masks, may have to be amended appropriately per photo afterwards. Now for Auto Sync. This is especially useful when editing photos fresh from import, which were shot with the same camera settings, scene and light. Select the images you wish to edit and ensure Auto Sync is toggled on. As we make adjustments to our main image, Lightroom will inform us that these adjustments are being made to the number of photos selected. Notice in each image, the History panel shows the details of the edits synced from our main image. If we select a photo and click on the previous button, it will copy the last edits you made to a previous image. The images you select do not need to be beside each other. The shortcut is Command, Option, and V on a Mac, or Control, Alt, and V in Windows. If you make a mistake with any of these, clicking on the Reset button will reset back to the default import setting all the images selected. The shortcut for this is Command, Shift, and R on a Mac, or Control, Shift, and R in Windows. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.